Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sweetie and I'm here to do practice for my spoken English as I do lots of practices and it is my one of them and it is my favorite one also because you know what, after doing lots of practices I really wanted to start this practice also, but it was literally hard for me. And when I was not able to do this practice, I did lots of efforts to start this and finally I am doing, and it's a literally good thing for me. So today, before starting my this practice, I want to be say something to you. Like the most beautiful attire you wear is confidence. And today I am going to tell you why we are not. I mean, why we are not able to get confidence. Whenever we saw people who are confident, and we are feeling like it is not as much as hard they do. So we are also can do, but why we are not able to do this thing? So, like, see, first we have to be know this thing why we are underconfident. Suppose you are suppose you are enough good at something, then there is no need to be underconfident. You are more confident to do that particular thing, right? Because you know everything about this thing. So the main question is here, like, suppose a thing that is new to you. So it's a very basic thing that you feel, it is not a big science. It is very general thing that if you are new to anything, then I mean things are literally hard for you. I mean, you if you start doing working on that particular thing, then you are able to do that thing. So like, first we have to be overcome that pressure that we are feeling underconfident, right? I mean, we have to be fix one thing in our mind, that if we start working on ourselves, then we can also become confident, right? Because see, like, the most, what is the most, I mean, important reason about that why we are feeling underconfident? Because first, the fear. We think that that particular thing is very hard for us and we are not able to do this thing. If we fix that idea, that particular, what that word, I mean, if we fix a thing in our mind that it is easy, and if I do efforts, if I start to do that particular thing, then I can do. And yes, I improve all my mistakes and I improve all my weak points, then I able to do that thing. And it is not, and every person, like, there's a lots of person who are doing this thing, then I can also, right? So this is the thing. I mean, first we have to be remove that fear that we are underconfident, because the fear we had, it's really big. If we are not able to remove this fear, then we are not able to steps for ourselves, step for you know to become more confident. So that's why I'm saying, I mean, there is no big science to become confidence, okay? I mean, and the quote is like, the best attire is to this best attire you wear is confidence. So this is the thing. I mean, see, if you are, if you are a positive person, then every attire you wear is literally beautiful. So, like, if you positive, if you make your mindset positive, then if you wear anything, then it is literally beautiful on you. I mean, it is literally like, what I really want to say, if you are a positive person and suppose a thing new to you, then you can start working on yourself. If and after span of time, you can see, like, you are literally wearing that beautiful attire, that is confidence. And yes, it takes time, but it is not hard, okay? So thank you so much, and this is the thing I really wanted to say. Thank you so much, thank you so much for bearing with me. Thank you. Jai Hind.